Okay, so these are the parts that I'm going to replace with this, and I somehow, by luck, managed to make this thing exactly the size I need it to be width-wise. So I'm just going to cut this little bit off and then cut it right down the middle, and my parts should match right up. So here's the finished product. Obviously you can see I cut one a little wider than the other, but they'll still do what they're supposed to do. And perfect, they're going to be perfect insulators and replace these pieces of wood that I had in there. I have several of these to do, so we're gonna have to make some more of this this block type material. And so here it is. We have the new dielectric block made out of the HDPE2, and it replaced the wood that was here. And now it's just a matter of hooking up my antennas again. But yeah, so now you don't have the wood. Wood isn't terrible, but it does have water in it, and so if there's, I don't know, some type of an issue, you might have an issue with wood. But overall, it's not terrible, but it's not the best solution for the problems. Okay, so here's the plastic insulator. I had wood, like I said, and then there's some more over there. Perfect. It's just plastic and it works exactly like it's supposed to. That's the final product. Nothing super technical.